Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, by me. Um, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) is the National Public Health Agency of the United States. It is a United States federal agency under the Department of Health and Human Services and is a and its headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia. The agent's main goal is to is the protection of public health and safety through the control and prevention of disease, injuries, and disabilities in the U.S. and worldwide. So this is the overview of what CDC is. Then we go on to our social issue. So our social issue was the outbreak of cholera in Africa, Southern Africa, in Soweto, Johannesburg. So CDC, its purpose was to help these people who are suffering from cholera outbreak due to dirty environment and other factors. The impact of CDC. Okay, so cholera it usually caused by diarrhea. It's usually cause diarrhea, which is due to inadequate wash, due to unsafe sanitization, and due to unsafe water, contaminated water can lead to this way of illness, and due to lack of washing hands. So 34%, 70%, 77, and 57% were at risk diarrhea factors. Mhm. So how can we prevent this cholera? Okay, so there are some procedures that the people need to take. Drinking safe water, wash their hands thoroughly every day, and cook food well to keep it covered so that it it will be hot all the time for diseases not to be able to survive in condition, the cholera disease. And also get vaccinated for cholera and clean up every dirty area. Accomplishments. What CDC has accomplished during the years that it has been existed. CDC has contributed to major advance in vaccine development and testing for flu, West Nile virus, um, meningitis, polio, HIV, and human palm, and many more viruses that CDC had helped them to accomplish in the world. CDC had a lot of things that they have done, and they are there to protect people. Um, Another thing, struggles. CDC, how it struggled. CDC is not. CDC struggles. CDC cannot fix all the problems in the world. A large study of adults in the United States who survived COVID-19 during the first 2 years of pandemic found that they had twice the risk of developing pulmonary em- embolism or respiratory condition in the year following infection. Recommendation for improvement. Um, in order for these people in Africa to improve and to help themselves not die or suffer from this disease to get rid of cholera, they need to make sure they have followed this following procedure, which is to make sure to drink safe water all the time and to wash their hands often with soap and to cook while keep the food covered, to eat warm food every time, and recommendation for scaling. CDC work with global partners in order to end cholera. These so CDC is one of the best health public health organization in this world that is helping so many people and preventing so many diseases in the world.